I'm hungry.
Then go get some food.
Could you please get me some food?
No, make it yourself.
Please.
Alrighty then. Oh. There you go.
Thanks. Wait a minute. How did you just do that?
Russians.
The ingredients are 1 apple, 3 eggs, 1 package of vanilla sugar, 100 grams of normal plain white sugar, 160 grams of self-rising flour, and 150 grams of butter. First of all, peel your apple. Then cut the apple into small cubes, like this. Now just set it aside. Break your eggs in a large mixing bowl. Then take a whisk and whisk them until they are fluffy. There we go. Add all of the sugar and the vanilla sugar and give it another whisk. Add all of the flour and whisk again. So that this is the result. Melt your butter. You can also do this au bain-marie, but we're not going to do it because it's too much of a hassle. Now pour the melted butter in the mixture and give it another good whisk. It should look like this. Finally, add the apples and mix them through the mixture. Make sure all of the apples are covered with the dough. Now for a good trick. Take a square piece of baking paper and fold it in half like this. Turn it and fold it in half again. There we go. Now take the closed side of your baking paper and fold it to the other closed side. So you have a triangle, like this. And do this once more. Then tear off the rest of the paper. And there you go. It's a circle, kind of. Take a round cake tin and put your baking paper inside. And finally, pour your mixture in there. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. After a few minutes, put your cake in there for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, increase the heat to 200 degrees Celsius and let it bake for another 15 minutes. And there you have it, world's finest apple cake.